students more than help them?
Maybe, ma'am, it will depend on how we teach them how they will use it. Like, technology is just a tool that will help us to teach the students more.
It's just my opinion.
Good morning, principal. Good morning, teachers. I'm glad to discuss it.
Our goal is to replace tradition with technology. It's to combine both to make learning more meaningful. Remember that innovation is always be guided by wisdom.
Good morning, class. Today, we are going to try something new. I have prepared a digital lesson for you, so you can access it through our PC. Please open your phones and try to open the file that I shared with you. Did you guys see it?
Yes, ma'am. Wow, this is new, ma'am. It's easier to follow because the visuals are here.
Yes.
At first, I thought technology is just for entertainment, but it's not me other than faster.
Wow, I'm glad to hear that. I also learned something new today. I have learned that technology becomes meaningful when used with discipline and purpose.
You see, Ma'am Laika, it's not about what we teach, but transforming how we teach it.
Yes, ma'am. Because as a teacher, we must keep on learning. Because education keeps evolving every day. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. Now that you've tried navigating technology, what did you learn from that experience? I learned that technology is easier and more interactive, but it should always be used responsibly. And for me, technology has helped me focus better, but it's still important to listen to our teachers since they really need to work.
I realized that learning become more effective when we combine lesson with technology. It helps us express ideas creatively. In both traditional and digital learning have value. Books teach patience, and technology teaches adaptability.
That's beautifully said. I believe teaching is